Good morning, everybody. Just an update. The Storm Prediction Center has upgraded the region to a slight risk of severe weather. So we have a level 1 in the dark green, a level 2 in the yellow. That's a level 1 marginal risk, level 2 slight risk. It's a 5-level scale. All in all, the thinking continues to be that this is a rather marginal severe weather setup. As mentioned in the previous video, we're lacking surface-based CAPE. CAPE is the energy that thunderstorms tap into. Without the surface-based CAPE, we typically don't see a lot of severe weather. With that said, Futurecast radar does show a line of storms moving through the region later this afternoon, and some of those storms could produce high winds, even damaging wind gusts. There has been a hailstorm this morning north of St. Louis with nickel to quarter size hail, very isolated, so we can't rule out a little bit of hail as well, but the primary concern will be a line of storms. Let's look at Futurecast radar. All right, so we're going to move through time here, and we're going to look at the Futurecast radar. We're going to stop here at about noon, and you can see a line of showers and thunderstorms extending from west of Springfield, Illinois, down into the St. Louis area, and then down west to Poplar Bluff to Little Rock, Arkansas. As we move into the 1, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock hour, we see that line of showers and thunderstorms continue to move eastward across the region. See these little line segments or bows? That's where some of the storms could produce high winds. Again, a low end risk of actual severe weather, meaning 60, 70 mile per hour wind gusts. It could happen. There could be some high wind gusts with this storm system. We're going to have strong and gusty winds anyway today, as mentioned in the other video, gradient winds from the deep area low pressure. But some of these thunderstorms, as we move through this afternoon, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, the showers and thunderstorms start to move out of the area. And then we will see clearing overnight. So we'll keep an eye on it today. I think the overall severe weather risk is low, but it's not zero, and SPC did upgrade us to a slight risk, and that is a bump up from what they had us earlier this morning. We'll see how it goes. The Weather Service is fairly skeptical of how much severe weather we'll have today. But with that said, this is a strong storm system, so we need to keep a close eye on it. Some of the thunderstorms could produce strong and gusty winds.